You asked me, can you pump up your head? Like him? Like Arnold? It sounds like a joke, doesn't it? A madman's question. But I know why you asked. I know that feeling. You look in the mirror and you see a boy. You see a fragile neck, a soft jaw. You see a victim. And you want to see a king. You don't just want the biceps. You want the presence. You want to walk into a room and have the air leave the lungs of everyone else. So is it possible? Can you change the bone? No. But can you change the face of destiny? Oh, absolutely. But it's going to hurt. Let's get physical for a second. Look at Arnold. It wasn't just the skull, it was the pillar underneath it, the neck. A thick neck is the universal sign of violence and power. It screams, I cannot be choked, I cannot be broken. You want that look? You have to train muscles most people forget exist. You have to yoke yourself. It's not just lifting weights, it's about thickening the connection between your body and your brain. When your neck grows, your face changes. Your jaw looks wider. You stop looking like prey. You start looking like a predator. Then there's the jaw, the masseters, the strongest muscles in the body, pound for pound. You think Arnold got that square jaw just from genetics? Maybe, but he also got it from gritting his teeth, from pushing past the pain barrier where normal men cry. You want that head? You have to chew on iron. Metaphorically and literally, you have to bite down on life. Stress, pressure, pain. Don't spit it out. Chew it. Swallow it. Let the tension sculpt your face. A soft life creates a soft face. A hard life, that carves a statue. But here is the secret, the shocking truth. Arnold's head wasn't big because of bone. It was big because his vision was too large for a normal skull. He visualized success so hard, it practically warped reality. He said he saw himself on the pedestal before he even lifted the weight. You want to pump up your head? Pump up your belief. Most people have small minds. They think small. They fear. To look like him, you have to possess a level of arrogance that feels uncomfortable. You have to believe you are a god amongst insects. Arnold loved the pain. He called it coming. Yeah, I know. But think about it. He chased the burn while others ran from it. To change your face, to change your structure, you have to love the discomfort. When you are under the squat rack and your blood pressure spikes and your head feels like a balloon about to pop, that is the forge. That pressure inside your skull, that's not dangerous. That is growth knocking on the door. Open it. You are the sculptor and the clay. That's what bodybuilding is. But you're asking about the head, the face. You sculpt that by starving the weakness. You lose the fat. You reveal the bone. You see, Arnold's face was chiseled because he had no place for softness to hide. You want that look? You have to be hungry, literally hungry. You have to strip away the comfort, the sugar, the easy dopamine. You have to reveal the skull beneath the skin. Death is always smiling. You should smile back. Let's address the elephant in the room. The juice, the chemistry. Did it change his head shape? Maybe. Growth hormone changes bone. It thickens the brow, widens the jaw. But I'm not telling you to take drugs. I'm telling you that the ultimate drug is confidence. It changes your hormones. High testosterone changes the shape of your face. It changes how you hold your head. If you walk around with your head down, you are shrinking. Lift your chin. Expose your throat to the world. That is how you pump up your presence. They called him the Austrian oak. Why? Because an oak doesn't move. You want a head like Arnold? You need to become unshakable. When people scream at you, when life hits you, you don't flinch, you don't blink. You develop the 1,000-yard stare. You look through people, not at them. That intensity, it makes your head seem bigger. It makes you take up more space psychically. It's an optical illusion of power. So, can you do it? Can you physically pump the skull? No, but you can build a fortress of muscle around it. You can strip the fat from your face. You can harden your jaw by chewing on disaster. And most importantly, you can expand your mind until it forces the world to make room for you. It's a metamorphosis. It's ugly. It's sweaty. It's painful. You have to kill the boy you are to birth the man you want to be. Don't try to be Arnold. That spot is taken. But take his blueprint. Pump the neck. Starve the doubt. Feed the vision. When you walk down the street tomorrow, keep your head high. Visualize it swelling with power. Visualize a crown of iron sitting on your brow. It's not about the size of the hat you wear, my friend. It's about what's going on underneath it. Go. Build your monument. One rep, one thought, one bite at a time.